Building software has never been easier. With AI or tools like no-code and low-code platforms, you can turn an idea into a working app without any coding background. The harder part comes next. You ask yourself, is the code secure? Can it be developed further? Will someone else be able to take it over? Is this a solid foundation or just a prototype that happens to work? In the past, you would use a software company to build your app. They would come to a point and ask these questions at a moment. They would need to provide answers. Now, that moment is gone. That's where we see problems, data leaks every day. Because working code is not the same as safe code. It can look fine on the outside and have invisible cracks in the foundation. If this app is something you want to build your business on, you need a code audit. It's not a next development phase, not a commitment to build everything from scratch. A clear, honest picture of what you actually have. We go through your entire system, we look at security, architecture, how it will handle growth, and something AI tools can't give you, an honest feedback. Because AI can generate code. AI can even review code, but it can't tell you whether the decisions made still make sense for where your business is going. That takes experience, context, a human in the loop. At the end of the audit, you get a report written for you, not for developers. We'll tell you what's solid and what's at risk, what to fix and what can wait, whether your foundation can carry what's next and what it will cost to fix before you commit to anything. If you build this app with AI, we will also give you recommendations, prompts that will help you improve the security right away. The best time to do this is before you invest more into development, before you hire, before you find out the hard way that what you built isn't ready for what's coming. Code Audit gives you the information you need to make a good decision. And that's exactly the kind of decision you don't want to get wrong. Reach out to us, we'll tell you honestly what we'd look at and what we'd expect to find, and whether an audit makes sense for where you are right now. And in the meantime, happy vibe coding!